sweet as a nut vest.
The line here, mate, down this, just straight down.
Yeah, vest kind of mucked around with it a little bit and slid a little bit, so it's fucking really hard to tell, man. You go in one spot and everything goes everywhere.
Just keep an eye out for my front wheel placement and just let me know if anything's fucking bad.
Will do. Looking good so far. Okay, that's it. Now start to straighten up.
The bent side step.
Start to straighten up. Your front corner's getting really close. That's heaps better. You just missed it. Back corner's way in the air, but that's cool.
Drop in here like...
It's not too bad. There's a big hole just in front though. The key's momentum, mate. The key's momentum. But all the base is hard. That's it, mate. That's it. Good stuff. Nice work.